What's up everybody, it's Chris from Father and Son Locksmith, and today I'm going to be making a key and programming it for a 2013 Ford Fusion. All keys are lost. It's using the Ford 10-cut HU101 keyway. Got the key from the dealer, it didn't work, so I'm going to have to use my Lishi pick. So here's my setup. We got a 2013 Ford Fusion, got a small step ladder, a 2x4, modified gooseneck, and that should get all the action. Should be a pretty good recording, and I'll walk you through the steps. So let me set this up and be right back with you. I got a good view of the lock. I already lubed it. Here's an HU101 Lishi pick, and hopefully it's not so sunny where you can't see. I'm going to go counterclockwise. I always start on the back. Let's go to 10. Put pressure counterclockwise. 10 has a little bounce. It's good. 9 is tight. Release just a little bit. That's good. 8 is good. 7's good. 6 is good. 5 is tight. Release a little bit. Still tight. That's good. It's got a nice little bounce. Let's go to 4. 4 is tight. Good. 3 is on this side. 3 is good. 2 is tight. Release a little bit. So 2 has a bounce. 3 has a bounce. 4 has a bounce. 5 has a bounce. 6 is tight. Release a little bit. 6 got a bounce. 7, good. 8, good. 9 is really tight. Release a little bit. 9 is good. 10's really tight. Release a little bit. 10's good. 9's good. 8's good. 7's good. 6 is good. 5 is really tight. Release a little bit. Picked. Now when you read this, make sure this is all the way. There's no number 1 cut. Number 1's in the ignition, so we're going to read cuts 2 to 10. Cut number 2 is a 4. Cut number 3 is a 2. Cut number 4 is a 2. Cut number 5 is a 1. And cut number 6 is a 2. Cut number 7 is a 4. Cut number 8 is a 3. Cut number 9 is a 1. And cut number 10 is a 3. So I'm going to go fill online. That's keycodes.com and see what number 1 is. And I'll get right back to you. Alright, so here's the key. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.